Hi everyone! So let's talk about Chinese dragons and the Chinese Zodiac. So first, what year were you born in? Just think about that. Based on that, you'll have a Chinese Zodiac sign. And these are the years that you were born. So you could be born in the year of the rat, or the ox, or the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the sheep, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, or the pig. Each of these different zodiac signs have personality traits associated with them, which is similar to the Greek zodiac, but they have different personalities based on the different animals. So the Chinese zodiac has actually been in the Chinese culture for over 2,000 years. And each zodiac has lucky and unlucky numbers associated with it, colors, flowers, and directions as well. And it is believed that your zodiac sign is an indicator of your compatibility, your career, your fortune, your personality. But similar to other personality tests or horoscopes in general, the zodiac may not always be accurate, but it can be really fun to learn about. So I'll put a link below where you can learn more about your particular sign. So now I'm going to tell you about the Chinese Zodiac origin story. And during this time, feel free to try to draw your Chinese Zodiac animal as a cute, fun activity. So, long ago, the Jade Emperor called all of the animals together one day and told them about a race. Some versions of the story say that the Jade Emperor wanted this race to create a timeline for humans, whereas other versions suggest that the Jade Emperor wanted to have these 12 animals become his guards. There was a cat who wanted to compete in the race. The cat and the rat were both considered to be the worst swimmers, but both of them were very intelligent. However, the cat and the rat hated each other. The rat and the cat used to be friends, but the rat, in some versions, had decided not to wake up the cat in time for the race or tell the cat about the race at all. Other versions say that the rat woke up early in the morning, and because he was a slow swimmer, he decided to jump on the ox's ear. The cat jumped on the ox's back in order to cross the river, and the ox didn't mind. However, during this time, the rat pushed the cat into the river, and this allowed the rat to cross the finish line first, whereas the ox came in second place. The rabbit and the tiger were both very competitive, and it's said that the rabbit, who crossed the river by hopping on some stones, fell into the water. But luckily, a log was floating by, so the rabbit was able to hop on and cross to the other side of the river. He placed fourth, because the tiger was too fast. Everyone thought the dragon would come in first place because he could fly, but when the Jade Emperor asked the dragon why he didn't come first, the dragon replied that he saw people suffering, so he decided to stop and help them. Then, the horse was galloping towards the finish line. The snake was hiding behind the horse's hoof, and close to the finish line, the snake revealed himself and appeared. This scared the horse, and the snake took advantage of that by quickly slithering across the finish line. Then, the goat, monkey, and rooster all helped each other over in the race. The rooster found a raft, and the monkey and the goat hopped on. Then, they all crossed the finish line. The emperor was impressed on how polite they were to each other, but he ultimately decided to place the goat 8th, the monkey 9th, and the rooster 10th. The dog, although a great swimmer, was late to the race, which set him at a disadvantage. Some say the dog was in 11th place because he needed a bath, so he said that the clean river was too tempting. And in last place was the quote-unquote lazy pig. The pig became hungry during the race, so he decided to stop and eat. Then he took a nap. Even though the Jade Emperor was going to close the race, the pig was able to finish the race, making him the last zodiac animal. And that explains the order of the different zodiacs and explains the cat and why the cat is not included in the 12 zodiacs. So, let's specifically talk about the Chinese dragon zodiac. This zodiac symbolizes power, luck, nobleness, honor, and success. And people born in the year of the dragon are thought to have confident, energetic, and courageous personalities. But during Chinese New Year, people like to wear red. Red and gold are lucky colors in China. And they like to decorate their homes and eat with family, especially dumplings. There are fireworks and firecrackers. They give red envelopes and other gifts during this time as well. And they watch lion and dragon dances. And here are some examples of delicious Chinese food which people eat on New Year's and that represent wealth, fortune, family reunion, longevity, wealth and treasure, rise in career, all of these great things, and that's part of why people eat these during the New Year. But to go back, people watch lion and dragon dances. And here are some examples of the dragon dances, and these are traditionally done on festival days in Chinese culture. The dragon dance is often performed on Chinese New Year and are believed to bring good luck to the people. Therefore, the longer the dragon dance is, the more luck it will bring to the community. And similarly, there are lion dances. And this is another traditional Chinese dance and a traditional part of Chinese culture. And the dancers mimic the lion's movement in the costume, and this is also supposed to bring good luck and good fortune. And this dance is also performed during festivals. The main difference between the lion dance and the dragon dance, besides the costumes, is that the dragon dance needs many more people for the dance, whereas the lion costume is about 2 to 3 people. So, let's make a little dragon dance or lion dance craft. And this craft is from Super Simple, and I will put a link to the blog below. So, for this craft, you need colored paper or construction paper. You need some glue and tape, scissors, disposable chopsticks or something similar, markers, crayons, or other decorating supplies, and this is recommended but optional, googly eyes and feathers. You can of course replace it with paper, but first, to make the head, you'll cut out some circles. So you'll cut out a circle, and this will be the dragon's head, and then you'll fold that in half. And then you'll cut a smaller circle, which should be red or another color, and this will be the mouth, and you can fold that in half too. And then cut out the different shapes for the dragon's eyes, nose, and teeth, and you can see that on the pictures from Super Simple's blog. But keep some extra space at the bottom of each item to fold and glue to the head of the dragon. So then glue each part together, and then add some decorations, which can be paper, feathers, or any other decorations that you want to add. So for the body, you'll cut strips of construction paper, and each strip should be about 1 to 2 inches in width. Try to keep all of the strips of paper the same width, and create a connecting paper chain by looping one strip at the opening of another and then gluing another strip together. So you'll glue one loop, you'll take a piece of paper and go in that loop and then glue that, and you'll keep going down the chain. And you can add any more decorations that you want, including feathers towards the end of the dragon, as the dragon's tail. Then add any disposable chopsticks or similar materials with tape, and tape the chopsticks to the bottom of the dragon's head and the other part towards the end of the dragon's body near the tail. And that's it. So, before we go, I wanted to highlight the song I Can Only Write My Name by Will J, and I'll put a link in the description below. And for this song, I think it's great to go into the song with an open mind about how you can define your own culture, and I hope you feel empowered to do that. With this song, what did you think of it? Was it relatable? Even though I think the song might be considered a little sad, and even though there are so many expectations to act a certain way or to know language associated with a culture, just know that it is all up to you. And you are the one who has the power to create and define your own culture. And you don't have to fit into a certain category. So you can choose and decide what you want to incorporate into your life. And that includes languages and traditions and everything else. And again, I hope you feel empowered to define your own culture. Let us know about your culture and how you've defined it in the comments below. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this class. And see you another time. Bye!